Number 15. The MOD. IZZY Sidecar is an extraordinary blend of classic design and modern innovation, redefining what it means to ride in style and comfort. Inspired by the timeless aesthetics of vintage motorcycles, this electric bike captures the spirit of freedom with a nostalgic twist, while offering the convenience and performance of today's technology. The standout feature is its beautifully crafted detachable sidecar, designed for carrying a passenger, pet, or extra cargo, making every journey both practical and fun. Its powerful electric motor delivers smooth acceleration and impressive range, ensuring an effortless ride whether cruising through the city or exploring scenic routes. With premium materials, a comfortable saddle, wide tires for enhanced stability, and intuitive controls, the MOD IZZY Sidecar offers a perfect balance of retro charm and modern functionality. This bike isn't just about transportation, it's about making every ride an experience, turning heads wherever it goes while providing an unmatched sense of adventure and connection to the open road. Number 14. The Halbrad is a revolutionary concept in the world of two-wheel innovation, merging futuristic design with unparalleled functionality to create an unforgettable riding experience. Its name, Number 13. The LFN. Bike stands as a masterpiece of modern engineering, combining futuristic design, power, and sustainability into one extraordinary machine. This incredible bike showcases an aggressive yet elegant aesthetic, featuring sharp lines, a low-slung frame, and aerodynamic contours that make it look like it's in motion, even when standing still. Powered by a high-performance electric motor, the LFN bike delivers exhilarating acceleration with whisper-quiet operation, offering riders an eco-friendly yet thrilling ride. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame enhances speed and agility, while the advanced suspension system ensures exceptional comfort and stability across diverse terrains. Equipped with smart technology, including digital displays, customizable riding modes, and regenerative braking, it provides complete control and efficiency at every twist of the throttle. The integration of cutting-edge battery technology allows for impressive range and quick charging, making it both practical and powerful. The LFN bike isn't just a mode of transport, it's a statement of innovation, performance, and the future of two-wheeled freedom. Number 12. The HASE bikes. GRAVIT Dust is an extraordinary creation that redefines what a cargo bike can be, blending versatility, strength, and sleek design into a truly remarkable ride. Engineered for both adventure and practicality, this incredible bike features a rugged aluminum frame that balances durability with lightweight performance, allowing riders to conquer city streets or country trails with equal ease. Its innovative modular design enables effortless transformation between cargo and passenger configurations, offering unmatched flexibility for daily commuting or outdoor exploration. The GRAVIT Dust comes equipped with a powerful electric motor that provides smooth pedal assistance. Number 11. The Reevo Hubless e-bike is a stunning fusion of futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, redefining the very concept of what a modern electric bike can be. Its most striking feature is the revolutionary hubless wheel design, giving it a sleek, otherworldly appearance that instantly captures attention wherever it goes. Beneath its sculpted frame lies a powerful electric motor that delivers smooth, silent acceleration, making every ride effortless and exhilarating. The frame itself is crafted with precision engineering to ensure durability, while maintaining a lightweight structure for optimal handling and agility. Packed with advanced smart features, the Reevo includes a built-in fingerprint scanner for security, integrated automatic lighting for visibility, and hidden battery placement that adds to its minimalist aesthetic. The bike's seamless blend of form and function is further enhanced by its innovative design that eliminates traditional spokes and chains, offering a clean, low-maintenance riding experience. The Reevo Hubless e-bike is not just transportation, it's a bold vision of the future on two wheels, combining elegance, intelligence, and performance in one breathtaking machine. Number 10. The NuBike is an extraordinary innovation that challenges every convention of traditional bicycle design, offering a completely new way to experience speed, power, and efficiency on two wheels. What sets this incredible bike apart is its revolutionary lever-driven system that replaces the conventional chain and gear mechanism, transforming human energy into motion with remarkable smoothness and precision. Built from aerospace-grade carbon fiber, the NuBike boasts a lightweight yet ultra-strong frame that enhances speed and agility while maintaining exceptional durability. Its unique architecture not only improves power transfer, but also reduces strain on the rider's knees, making it more ergonomic and efficient than standard bicycles. The design allows for easy assembly and disassembly without tools, making transportation and storage incredibly convenient. With its futuristic aesthetics, advanced materials, and unmatched engineering, the NuBike represents a major leap forward in cycling innovation, delivering a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge design that truly redefines the modern bicycle. Number 9. The Indimob. Naked two-seater is a remarkable urban e-vehicle that reimagines commuting with a sleek three-wheel design that allows two adults to ride side by side, all while staying compact, agile, and eco-friendly. Its aluminum and carbon fiber frame provides both strength and lightness, allowing the vehicle to handle the added passenger with ease, yet remain nimble in tight city traffic. With its low center of gravity, comfortable H-point seating position, front suspension, and dual rear shocks, it offers smooth, confident handling and a ride experience far beyond typical bikes. The motor is an electric assist unit designed to make pedaling effortless even with the added load, and it's certified for use on bike lanes, making it a real contender for urban freedom. The vehicle features premium hydraulic disc brakes, a robust gearbox, and smart ergonomics including a sliding front seat for passenger comfort and folding front seat for easy ingress. With integrated lighting, premium wheel and tire components built to support the dual rider configuration, and the option to carry cargo too, the naked two-seater blends innovation, utility, and style into one striking package that stands out from standard two-wheeled rides. Number 8. The Terraglide is an exhilarating and forward-thinking recumbent trike that merges comfort, advanced technology, and environmental consciousness into one outstanding ride. From the moment you sit in its laid-back bucket-style seat, you'll appreciate how it supports your entire body, reducing strain on the neck, back, and shoulders, making longer journeys as relaxing as they are thrilling. Under its sleek exterior lies a potent electric motor system with zero emissions and whisper-quiet operation. So whether you're gliding through city streets or cruising an open trail, you're doing it in style and with minimal environmental footprint. Steering is delightfully futuristic, thanks to its steer-by-wire joystick controls that offer intuitive handling and precision that far surpasses traditional handlebars. The design also includes a human-powered pedal generator system, so you can choose to contribute your own effort, charging the battery as you ride and engaging both fitness and transport in one experience. Its three-wheel layout and low center of gravity ensure rock-solid stability for riders of differing experience levels, and the high-quality materials, from the recycled aluminum frame to ergonomic composites, deliver strength, durability, and a refined feel. Storage compartments are thoughtfully placed, lighting and braking systems are integrated for real-world safety, and the overall profile is sculpted and aerodynamic, turning heads at every turn. The Terraglide isn't just a mode of transport. It's a statement about how riding can be smarter, more comfortable, more sustainable, and more enjoyable all at once. Number 7. The Manta 5 SL3 is an extraordinary hydrofoil e-bike that redefines what cycling can be by taking it from land to water. Crafted with a precision-engineered composite monocoque chassis, this revolutionary machine floats effortlessly when still, then gracefully lifts above the water's surface as speed builds, thanks to its advanced hydrofoil launch system. The sensation it delivers is unlike anything else, combining the natural rhythm of pedaling with the exhilarating feeling of flight, gliding seamlessly over waves and ripples. Powered by a responsive electric assist with variable levels and a throttle override, the SL3 makes takeoff and cruising effortless, letting riders adjust the intensity to match their comfort and conditions. Its modular design ensures that setup, transport, and storage are incredibly easy, as each component can be disassembled into compact parts without the need for tools. Number 6. The Van Raam. Chat Rickshaw bike is a beautifully crafted, inclusive transport trike that blends comfort, innovation, and social connectivity into one remarkable ride. It features a front-facing twin-seat cockpit where two passengers can sit side by side and converse freely, while the driver pedals from the rear with full control of steering and braking. This design not only ensures excellent visibility of both the road ahead and the occupants, but also transforms cycling into a shared experience rather than just a ride. The Chat is equipped with electric pedal assistance as standard, including a launch aid and even a reverse pedal function, making it manageable in all conditions and especially welcoming to those who want to carry passengers without excessive exertion. It also comes with hydraulic disc brakes, automatic lighting, adjustable footplate for easy access, and plenty of storage space for luggage or gear, making it versatile for care homes, guided tours, or families. Built in the Netherlands and designed to meet legal safety requirements, the Chat offers independence and freedom for passengers who may not otherwise cycle. Number 5. The MOTO PARILLA e-bike is a masterpiece of modern engineering and Italian artistry, seamlessly blending luxury design with cutting-edge electric performance. Its striking monocoque carbon fiber frame, strengthened by precision-machined aluminum elements, creates an ultra-light yet robust structure that captures attention with its bold, sculptural form. Beneath its elegant exterior lies a powerful mid-drive motor delivering up to 120 Nm of torque, paired with a high-capacity 48-volt battery that ensures impressive range and consistent power for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The massive 26 inches by 4.7 inches tires provide exceptional traction and stability, gliding smoothly over any surface while exuding a sense of dominance and control. Every component, from the handcrafted Italian leather saddle to the bespoke billet aluminum handlebars and integrated LED lighting, reflects MOTO PARILLA's dedication to perfection. Riding this e-bike is more than just transportation. It's an experience of sophistication, power, and individuality that turns every journey into a statement of style and performance. Number 4. The IZZY no-chain bike is a bold redefinition of cycling, blending futuristic design with ingenious engineering to create a riding experience unlike anything else on the road. Departing from the traditional chain and gear system, it utilizes a revolutionary patented front hub transmission that delivers power seamlessly and silently, eliminating the mess, friction, and maintenance associated with conventional drivetrains. This innovation not only ensures a smoother, more efficient pedal feel but also gives the bike its sleek, minimalist aesthetic. What truly sets the IZZY apart is its lightning-fast folding mechanism, transforming from a fully functional bike to a compact, easy-to-carry form in less than a second without any visible hinges or complicated joints. The large-diameter wheels enhance speed, stability, and comfort, making it equally adept at navigating city streets or tackling uneven surfaces. With its combination of performance, convenience, and avant-garde style, the IZZY no-chain bike stands as a glimpse into the future of urban mobility. A clean, quiet, and intelligent machine designed to move you effortlessly while turning every head it passes. Number 3. The YERKA 5e4 is an exceptional urban bicycle that merges sophisticated design with advanced anti-theft technology, redefining what it means to ride securely in the city. Built from premium-grade aluminum and reinforced with chromoly components, it offers an ideal balance of strength, lightness, and refined handling, making it perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides through urban streets. What truly sets the YERKA 5e4 apart is its revolutionary integrated locking system, where the very frame of the bike transforms into a lock that secures around a fixed object. This eliminates the need to carry an extra lock and makes the bike virtually impossible to Number 2. The Brompton electric P-Line is a masterful fusion of portability, premium materials, and electric assist, crafted for the urban commuter who refuses to compromise. With a titanium rear frame and steel front, the design is both light and extraordinarily strong. Number 1. The Specialized Vado SL2 is a masterclass in e-bike engineering, designed to deliver an exceptional blend of speed, comfort, and sophistication for the modern urban rider. At its heart, the Specialized SL 1.2 motor provides up to 320 watts of smooth, natural power and around 50 Nm of torque, supported by a seamlessly integrated 520 watt-hour battery that ensures an impressive range for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Despite its electric capabilities, the Vado SL2 maintains a remarkably lightweight build, between 17 and 20 kilograms depending on configuration. Thanks to its expertly crafted carbon or alloy frame, resulting in agile, responsive handling that feels more like a traditional bike than an e-assist machine. Enhancing the ride experience further is Specialized Innovative Future Shock Suspension System, offering 20 millimeters of front-end compliance to absorb road vibrations and keep every journey smooth and controlled. Integrated lights, racks, and fenders blend practicality with style, while app connectivity allows riders to fine-tune performance modes for personalized efficiency and comfort. The Specialized Vado SL2 is more than just an electric bike. It's a refined expression of freedom and technology, built for riders who demand elegance, endurance, and excitement in every pedal stroke.